Introducing the 2018 Volkswagen Golf 1.0 TSI 110 BHP Highline with R-Line exterior. This stunning white vehicle with 160,226 km on the clock is packed with features for your comfort, safety, and style. From Bluetooth phone connectivity to LED lights to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. And with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can have peace of mind on the road. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.